Lourdes Chica, ano ba yung pag-ibig na nabuo nyo ni Bel Mariano, Donnie? Saad niya, maganda, napakaganda ng aming nabuo. Pero maroon silang sinasabi na love waits, lust rushes. Kasi it really is that simple, but so many of us confuse the two. True love takes its sweet, gentle time kasi gusto nitong sigurado, gusto nitong matibay, gusto nilang totoo. It's never about instant gratification or getting what you want right this second or rushing just to feel something exciting. Love is patient. It doesn't push, it doesn't pressure, it doesn't demand. It knows the best things worth having are the things worth waiting for. Ganyan na yung nabuo namin ni Bel. So, meron silang sinasabi na last though. It's loud, it's fast, it's selfish. It's that voice that says, I want it. I need it. Gotta have it now. No question asked, no care for what happened next, no thought about your heart or your boundaries. It only sees what's on the surface. Your face, your body, the thrill of the moment. Once the excitement fades, once the newness wears off, nawawala rin ng lahat kasi wala naman talagang pundasyon. It never cared about who you are, only what you could give it. But love, it's completely different. Love builds, lust consumes. So when you're with the right person, you're meant for. Walang palitan, walang kaba, walang nagmamadaling gawin ang lahat agad-agad. You take your time to know every part of them. Their happy days, their sad days, their fears, their dreams, their messy sides, no one else sees. You grow together, learn together, heal together. It's built on respect, trust, loyalty, and that deep emotional bond that goes way beyond just physical attraction. So, ganyan yung nabuo namin talaga ni Bel. Because the right person doesn't just look at you. They really see you. They love you not just when you're pretty or fun, easy to be with, but even when you're tired, even when you're broken, even you have nothing left to give, they choose you with all your flaws, all your past, or all your imperfections. Kasi para sa kanila, ikaw pa rin ang pinakamagandang bagay na dumating sa buhay nila. That's why it matters so much to find someone who complements your life. Ang swerte ko dahil nahanap ko si Bel. Not just someone who makes you feel good for a moment. You don't want someone who only stays when everything is fun and perfect. You want someone who's there for the long haul. Kasama ka sa taas at baba, sa saya at sa lungkot, sa hirap at ginhawa. Someone who lifts you up, challenges you to be better, and holds your hand even when the road gets rough. So choose wisely. Choose the one who respects your heart, your pace, and your worth, not just the one chasing your body or your attention. Choose the connection that builds a future, a home, and a lifetime of memories, not just a momentary high that fades by burning. Choose love that waits, love that stays, love that grows, because at the end of the day, real love never rushes. It stays, it heals, it lasts forever.